In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Builder.io in VS Code step-by-step tutorial 2025. We'll walk through installing the Builder.io extension inside Visual Studio Code and getting signed in so you can work on content right from your editor. I'll add helpful context along the way so each action is clear and easy to follow. Start by opening your VS Code. Give it a moment to load your workspace or open a folder if prompted. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to be on a recent version so extensions install without issues and the interface matches what you see here. Next, go to the top menu bar and click View. This menu controls what panels and tools are visible in your editor. Using View is a reliable way to get to the right place, even if your sidebar layout is different from mine. If your window is small, the menu names may collapse. Just expand the window or look for the View option in the menu bar. From the View menu, select Extensions. This opens the Extensions panel, which is your gateway to the VS Code Marketplace. You'll see a search box at the top and a list of installed or recommended extensions below. If the panel doesn't appear, try clicking it again, or check that no modal is blocking the interface. In the search box, type Builder and wait a second for results to load. You're looking for the official Builder.io extension. If you see several results, choose the one published by Builder.io and review the short description to confirm it matches your needs. You can also glance at the download count and rating as a quick confidence check. Click Install. VS Code will download the extension and may prompt you to enable it or reload the window. If a reload button appears, click it so the extension initializes correctly. After installation, you should see a Builder.io section or icon in the sidebar, confirming it's ready to use. Finally, start the login process. Open the Builder.io panel in VS Code and choose the Sign In or Login option. A browser window may open to authenticate your account. Complete the sign-in there, then return to VS Code. The extension will detect your session and connect. If you're asked for permissions, approve only what you need and never paste private tokens into random prompts. Once signed in, you're set to access your Builder content directly in the editor. That's it. You opened VS Code, went through View to Extensions, searched for Builder, installed it, and logged in. You're now ready to work with Builder.io without leaving your coding environment.